Hello friends, this is Sahiti here. Today we are going to discuss about some important GK questions. When is World Day for Audiovisual Heritage recognized by the UN observed? Answer is October 27th. Maximum nutritive elements absorbed by blood from which part of alimentary canal? Answer is small intestine. Under whose signature the members of All India Services appointed? Answer is President. Which climate best suited for horticulture? Answer is Mediterranean. Before ascending the Maurya throne, how was Ashoka served? Answer is as a viceroy of Taxila. From which water sources the water is likely to be contaminated with fluoride? Answer is groundwater. In which year did the first modern Olympic Games takes place? Answer is in 1896. Which neighboring country has objections on Indian Baglihar hydroelectric project? Answer is Pakistan. Which region does not receive most of its rainfall during winter? Answer is Central North America. What were the two colossal images of the Buddha at Bamiyan? Answer is works of the Gupta art. Which genetic disease is sex linked? Answer is royal hemophilia. What is the part of the constitution that reflects the mind and ideals of the framers? Answer is preamble. When will a hot body radiate maximum energy? Answer is if its surface is black and rough. Which African country is richer than others in gold and diamond? Answer is Zaire. Who has been called the Napoleon of India? Answer is Samudragupta. Yondiki, who set up a new world record in 10,000 meters race, belongs to which country? Answer is Kenya. How many players are there on each side in a women's basketball game? Answer is 6. Who proved that DNA is the basic genetic material? Answer is Hershey and Chase. Which is the leading producer of sulfur? Answer is USA. During the reign of which Pallava ruler did the Chinese pilgrim Huan visit Kanchi? Answer is Narasimhavarman I. Folk painting Madhubani is famous in which state? Answer is Bihar. Which is a tree requiring minimum water for its growth? Answer is Babul tree. Which post does the Constitution of India does not mention? Answer is the Deputy Prime Minister. Which country is the largest producer of bauxite? Answer is Australia. Which Indian rulers was a contemporary of Akbar? Answer is Rani Durgavati. How are oxygen and ozone? Answer is allotropes. From where did India introduce cultivation of tobacco, tapioca, pineapple? Answer is South America. When was the Reserve Bank of India taken over by the government? Answer is in 1948. Which is found on the western coast of continents between 30 degrees and 40 degrees latitudes? Answer is Mediterranean climate region. Which school of paintings developed independently during the Mughal period? Answer is the Bijapur school. In which foot and mouth disease is caused? Answer is cattle. Who decides the number of judges in a high court? Answer is president. What denotes the smallest temperature? Answer is 1 degree on the Kelvin scale. In which latitudes largest quantities of bauxite is found? Answer is tropical latitudes. Which was the first English ship that came to India? Answer is Red Dragon. Which tree, once very popular in social forestry, is now taken to be environmental hazard? Answer is eucalyptus. Foot and mouth disease in animals, a current epidemic in some parts of the world. By which is this caused? Answer is bacterium. In which animal is respiration done by skin? Answer is frog. The Ruhr-Westphalia region is a famous industrial region of which country? Answer is Germany. Which was the first newspaper to be published in India? Answer is Bengal Gazette. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe.